folks, welcome to Testing Hacks. Today we will understand what is use case diagram and what are the different components that we have in use case diagrams. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. A use case diagram is a behavior diagram and visualizes the observable interaction between actors and the system under development. The diagram consists of the system and the related use cases and the actors and relates these systems to each other. Majorly, we have three components as I said. First is the system. System is what is being described is known as system. For example, if you are logging into an e-commerce application, what a particular login module, if you consider what a particular login module is performing, that is what the system is. It is a whole application. System is nothing but a whole application. Actor. Actor is the one who is using the system. Use case. Use case, what are the actors doing? Okay, actors can be anyone. It can be me, you, or anyone. Let's see it and let's understand it properties. Once we see here, okay, here we have properties of an actor. First thing is he can be human or a non-human. He can be anyone. It can be me, you, or as I told you, it can be anyone. And it represents the role. Actor is a role. Okay, can specify multiplicity. One actor can perform multiple actions. We will see through it a diagram. Okay, so he can perform the multiple actions. That is what the multiplicity specifies. Communicates with the system and he uses the system. So these are the different properties an actor possesses. When it comes to use cases describes the behavior of the system under development, represents the perspectives of the user, can specify multiplicity. Okay, so an application can perform different several actions, right? So that is what here the the multiplicity in the use case is. Doesn't consider the details of the system behavior. Okay, let me give you an example. Suppose the cook prepares the grilled cheese sandwiches at the pantry. Okay, so the cook would be the primary actor of this system, and the system that contains is the frying pan, cooking devices, and then bread, sandwich. While preparing sandwich, what are the items that involved is the system. Okay, and the final goal is to prepare a perfect grilled sandwich. Okay, so this is what an example. Here the actor is the cook and the process of preparing is the system and final goal. Finally, the goal should be met. That is one of the real time example. Let's also understand it through a diagram. Once you see in this image, you can see that we have several different actors placed outside the system. This is an e-commerce application where it has features like login, registration, view items, order items, add to cart payment. These are different functionality an application is having. System is the whole entire application. Okay, so if an admin wants to log in to the application, he has to build a relationship between the application. So that is one of the use case. Okay, and if you see here, as I've already told you, remember that actors will be always outside the system while representing, while creating a use case diagram, actors should be out of the system. And next is this technical support. He's the person who actually provides the support to the buyers as well as to the sellers. Okay, and also when it comes to seller can have several different action performed. He can log into the application and also he can view the item, order the item, he can. Okay, and as a guest user, if I log in, I can just view the items, right? So that is one of the functionality that I can perform. That is one another use case. So this is just a pictorial representation of what actions a user can, user or the actor can perform on the system. And buyer can also perform several different actions like logging in, registration, item viewing, and then ordering the item, adding to the cart, payment. All this, will come under this particular actor who is a buyer. So this is all about the use case diagrams. If you like this video, please do like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.